Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a curious girl named Emma. She was 5 years old, with long black hair tied into two bouncy ponytails. And she loved two things more than anything else: her dolls and creating things with her hands. One sunny afternoon, Emma sat by the window, daydreaming, while her fluffy cat, Whiskers, lay beside her. "I wish my dolls had a home. A real dollhouse," she said. Whiskers purred and flicked his tail, as if to say, "Then let's build one." Emma's eyes sparkled with excitement. "That's it! We'll build a dollhouse ourselves!" Without wasting a second, she grabbed a pencil and made a list. An empty cardboard box, some colored paper, scissors with Mom's help, glue or tape, popsicle sticks, old fabric pieces, bottle caps, and buttons. First, Emma turned a big cardboard box on its side. "This will be the house," she declared. With a pencil, she drew lines inside to divide it into rooms: a bedroom, a living room, and a kitchen. She glued colored paper to the walls, making each room look bright and cheerful. Then she worked on the floors, cutting small squares of shiny wrapping paper and gluing them to the bottom of each room. "Now the floors look shiny and new," she giggled. Next came the furniture. She glued 4 bottle caps together and placed a round piece of cardboard on top to make a table. She stacked matchboxes to make drawers. With popsicle sticks, she built a little bed frame and added a soft fabric mattress. The windows were next. Emma carefully cut small square holes and glued colorful cloth pieces as curtains. "Every house needs windows to let the sun shine in," she told Whiskers. For the final touches, she made tiny books from folded paper, rolled cotton into pillows, and painted the outside of the house in bright colors. When she was done, her dollhouse had a soft pink bed, a living room with a mini couch, a kitchen with a table and chairs, and curtains fluttering in the windows. Her dolls clapped and danced in excitement, and the little cardboard home suddenly felt warm and full of love. That night, Emma tucked her dolls into their new bed and whispered, "See? You don't need to buy magic, you can build it yourself." Whiskers purred proudly beside her. And from that day on, Emma and Whiskers became the best dollhouse builders in the whole neighborhood.